everyone, it's Jeff from New York, and we're back in Atlantic City, but we're back on our way out of Atlantic City because I need to leave here quickly for reasons you'll discover at the end of this video. But before I hop in that New York mobile and make my getaway on the Garden State Parkway, I wanted to stop off at the Tangiers Outlet just to show you what the designer outlets look like here in Atlantic City. They're located right across from Caesars Hotel and Casino. This won't be a long video. Again, trust me, I'm in a rush to get out of this city. I'm sorry, I really can't explain right now. So we already passed a few outlets here, including Banana Republic. We have Express across the street, as well as the Ralph Lauren Polo shop. Right across the street is the Atlantic Care Hospital should anyone get hurt here in Atlantic City. I have no reason to worry. Do I? As with everything in New Jersey, everything looks prettier in the spring, summer, and fall, including this outlet area. But during the spring, summer, and fall, it looks much nicer with the trees in bloom as well as a lot of grasses and flowers. New Jersey has some skiing destinations in its northwest corner, and those mountains look pretty all year long. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Here we're walking past Nautica, Kate Spade, and Reebok. What is that? I keep hearing sirens. Do you hear sirens? Maybe I'm just paranoid for no reason. And here we have Michael Kors, and just so you know, you can shop here in these outlets with confidence, knowing that these are really legitimate items of merchandise and not something you would find on the boardwalk that's a cheap knockoff. And we just passed a Guess outlet as well as a Wilson's House of Leather. I didn't even know Wilson's was still in business. I thought Peter ran them out of town years ago. Across the street we just passed a Van Heusen shirt shop, as well as on the right here a Donna Karan New York and Bath and Body Works shop. And here's Brooks Brothers, known for their famous men's and women's business and formal wear. Across the street is Forever 21. I understand they're going bankrupt and closing all their stores. Kids, here's a life lesson. Nothing is forever. And on the left we have an Eagles Outfitters, directly ahead a Sunglasses Hut. There's a Old Navy outlet here, as well as a Subway directly ahead, and an off-Broadway shoe store. I never heard of them before. Do you guys hear helicopters now? I thought I heard a chopper. That's a New Jersey State Police helicopter. It just took off from Caesar's roof. I mean, I don't want to sound paranoid, but I feel like I'm being followed between the sirens and the helicopters. I mean, my followers on this channel know me for quite a while now, and you know I wouldn't do anything wrong, right? Across the street we have a H&M. Does anyone know what H&M stands for? It stands for Hennes and Mauritz. It's a Swedish clothing company, the second largest clothing company in the world. Can you guess what store this is? Go ahead, take a guess. Alright, I hear more state police choppers now. Again, not that I'm concerned about anything, but I'm wondering where I parked the New York mobile and what's my quickest way to get to it. Coming up on the left, we have a perfumery. On the right, we have the Loft. We have a Gap. And we have a famous footwear store. Okay, that's the third state police helicopter I've seen in the last 2 minutes. Now I'm really starting to get scared. I mean, who are they looking for? I hope it's not me. I've done nothing wrong, really. Here's an Adidas store. Perhaps a good pair of running shoes would do me good right now. There's a Coach store and a Nike store off in the distance. A Puma store and a Zoomies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. Where is that parking lot? Okay, there's a Bass Pro Shops. Maybe I can go shopping in there. What are you looking at? I didn't do anything wrong. Wow, 60% off Lacoste polos. Well, not today. I'm kinda in a rush. That's a big Nike store, and it kind of reminds me of the Apple store on 5th Avenue across the street from the plaza back in New York. Oh, I hear those sirens again. This could be the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.